Hey, it's Crystal with the Traveling Addict. Today I'm in Greenville, North Carolina, and I am going to hike on the River Park Trail. Let's go check it out. River Park Trail has, well, it says live animals, fishing piers, shelters, grills, hiking trails, and it looks like they have a visitor center. Park areas. So we are at River Park North, Greenville, North Carolina. Let's see, we are here. I'm gonna take this hike. I don't know, I'll probably go this way and take the little loop and back. So the main walking trail is 1.4. Willow Branch 0.27, Old Easton Run, Parker's Creek, Howard's Loop. So we're going to try to do them all. Why not? We're here. Here's a view of the lake on the right hand side. And I don't know if I can get to the left hand side. Oh yeah. And the other lake. This is the second body of water. And then on the opposite side, so here's a cypress tree up close and personal. And the cypress tree's knees this is a little side trail. Oh, that's so pretty. The little side trail gives you better views. It's sad that people don't pack it in, pack it out. This was somebody fishing, left all their bait. I wonder if this is a fairy ring of mushrooms. And I'm not supposed to stand in the middle of a fairy ring. It sure is. Look at that. First time I've ever seen one. See the ring? And you're not supposed to stand in the middle of it. I don't believe in superstition, but you know what? I'm gonna walk around. First fairy ring I've ever seen. This is a huge tree. Wow. Oh, that's so pretty. Look out there. We have hit a beautiful, beautiful area. Take a look. That is gorgeous. Check that out. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Amazing. Look at those bases. They are just beautiful. Another real quick look at the Tar River. The mosquitoes here are horrible. Wear your bug spray. Bring it with you. I've put on like 2 or 3 coats and it's still mosquitoes. The trash can is right at the beginning of the trail. So why do you have to leave all your trash? That irks me. I am back from my hike to River Park Trail, and there were a couple of side hikes that I took as well. The total mileage became 4 miles, and it was hot today. It's only 86, but the humidity makes it like over 90, I guess. The views here are, they're beautiful, but you're gonna pay for them in mosquito bites. Be sure and wear your bug spray, and then take it with you because you're gonna need it even more. They even bit me with the bug spray on. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe because that does help me grow, and share my videos with people that like to hike. And I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. Until the next hike, see you soon.